Hey, hoteliers. Ever woken up, checked your hotel's reviews, and felt like you've bitten into a sour lemon? Let's squeeze out the good stuff and turn those zesty reviews into sweet lemonade. Greetings, hotel aficionados. You're tuning into the Hotel Helpcast podcast, where empty rooms meet their match and hospitality dreams turn to reality. Whether you're a boutique beginner or a resort superstar, this is your one-stop shop for insider tips. I'm your host, Jerry McPherson, and it's time to fluff those pillows and elevate your game. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on a ton of great info. So we've all been there. That awful moment when that dreaded one-star review rolls in, and you can't help but wonder if the reviewer accidentally thought 5 was the worst rating. We all know that those pesky reviews can be that annoying stain on an otherwise pristine tablecloth, always stealing the spotlight. What can you do about it? Proactive guest engagement. Wouldn't it be wonderful to have your own fairy godmother keeping tabs on your wishes and whims? Give your employees the freedom to be the fairy godmother for your guests. Be it through the magical comment card, a mid-stay email, or just a good old "how's everything going" approach. Catch those pumpkins before they turn back at midnight. Excellent staff training. Would you prefer R2D2 or C3PO at your front desk? The R2 is cute. C3PO knows his etiquette. Let's ensure your staff doesn't beep incomprehensively, but greets warmly and serves with finesse. Stay on top of employee training and training refreshers. Stay with me, and I'll share 3 more ways to improve reviews, right after a word from our sponsor. Hey there! Are you dreaming of opening those grand hotel doors? Or maybe elevating that cozy inn you already own? You're in the right place. Say hello to our game changer. Check into success, building and running your hotel business. Course. Picture this. Guests raving about your top-notch service. Staff beaming with pride, and that fully booked sign flashing every single night. Sound like a dream? We're here to make it your reality. Here's the scoop. 85 juicy lessons. Watch them, hear them, or read them. Your pick. And hey, don't forget those quizzes after each module to see how you're doing. Real talk from insider pros. We've got the latest trends and insights to keep you ahead. The perfect blend of know-how and flair. Learn the ropes and add that special touch only you can. Quick peek at what's inside? From brainstorming your hotel concept, navigating the financial maze, crafting a standout brand, all the way to ensuring your guests are treated like royalty. And there are some bonus goodies in there too. All right, enough with the suspense. Your dream hotel? Not just a vision, it's a journey, and it starts with Check Into Success, building and running your hotel business course. So are you ready to turn that open sign on and make some magic? Let's get started. Enroll, and let's build that dream together. Regular maintenance and upgrades. Nobody likes a squeaky bed, unless it's a haunted hotel theme. Regular checks, timely fixes, and sprinkle of newness here and there can go a long way. Think of it as changing the curtains in a room haunted by old reviews. Respond to online reviews. Always respond to reviews with grace, not the clumsiness of someone stepping on a Lego. And that hurts. Whether it's a waltz with a 5-star review or a tango with a 1-star criticism, lead with confidence and care. Personalize the guest experience. Know Mr. Smith loves blueberry muffins? Tuck one away for him. Got a couple celebrating their anniversary? A little note goes a long way. The devil's in the details, but so is Cupid. Let's make every guest feel like they have a secret admirer. And remember, every cloud or bad review, there's a silver lining or a dozen good ones. A gentle nudge to a happy guest to share their sunshine about how you made their stay can work wonders. Before checking out of today's episode, remember there's a golden key waiting for you. Unlock your free PDF, Unlocking Hospitality Success, 25 must-know insights for independent hotel owners. You don't need a room number. Just hop over to keystonehpd.com or check out the show notes and grab your copy. I'm curious, do you hide from reviews or embrace them? Let me know. In our next episode, I will share tips for decoding guests' expectations. That's it for today's episode of Hotelier Helpcast podcast. Keep those lobbies lively and the feedback flowing, and always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired. The Hotelier Helpcast podcast is part of the Keystone HPD network.